Deep within the lush rainforests of the Americas, where the canopy forms a dense green blanket over the land, a remarkable creature reigns supreme in the art of agriculture, the leafcutter ant. These industrious insects are not just any ants, they are nature's very own farmers, cultivating vast underground gardens to sustain their bustling colonies. These tiny insects, no larger than a fingernail, are nature's very own farmers, cultivating vast underground gardens to sustain their bustling colonies. Their colonies can house millions of individuals, all working in unison towards a common goal. Imagine, if you will, an ant carrying a leaf many times its size, a feat of strength equivalent to a human lifting a car. This incredible strength is not just for show, it is essential for their survival. This extraordinary strength is not a mere display of power, but a testament to their vital role as cultivators. The leaves they collect are meticulously cut and transported back to their nests. The leafcutter ants don't actually eat the leaves they collect. Instead, they use them to nourish a special kind of fungus, their primary source of food. This fungus is carefully tended to and cultivated within their underground chambers. Instead, they use them to nourish a special kind of fungus, their primary source of food. This fungus is carefully tended to and cultivated within their underground chambers. The ants provide the fungus with the perfect environment to grow, ensuring a steady food supply for the colony. This fascinating relationship between ant and fungus is a true marvel of the natural world, a delicate balance of teamwork and codependence. The ants rely on the fungus for food, while the fungus depends on the ants for sustenance and care. A delicate balance of teamwork and codependence. This symbiotic relationship showcases the incredible complexity and interdependence of life in the rainforest, where even the smallest creatures play a crucial role in the ecosystem. The process begins with a legion of worker ants embarking on foraging expeditions, their sharp mandibles slicing through leaves with surgical precision. These industrious insects form long, organized trails, resembling miniature highways, transporting their leafy bounty back to the nest. Once inside, the leaves undergo a remarkable transformation within the ants' underground gardens. Smaller worker ants, their bodies glistening like polished amber, meticulously clean and prepare the leaf fragments. They crush the leaves into a pulp, creating the perfect substrate for their fungal crop. This fungal garden, carefully tended by the ants, is a sight to behold, a sprawling network of interconnected chambers teeming with life. The leafcutter ant colony is a marvel of engineering and social organization. Beneath the forest floor lies a vast network of tunnels and chambers, a subterranean city meticulously designed for efficiency and survival. At the heart of this bustling metropolis lies the queen, the matriarch responsible for laying thousands of eggs that ensure the colony's continued existence. Surrounding the queen are her diligent workers, each dedicated to a specific task. Some ants tirelessly excavate new chambers, expanding the colony's reach. Others patrol the tunnels, guarding against intruders. And of course, there are the gardeners, meticulously tending to the fungal gardens that sustain the entire colony. The relationship between leafcutter ants and their fungus is a remarkable example of mutualism, a partnership where both parties benefit. The ants provide the fungus with a constant supply of fresh leaves, carefully prepared and maintained in optimal conditions. In return, the fungus grows and produces specialized structures called gongylidea, rich in nutrients that the ants rely on for sustenance. This symbiotic relationship is so finely tuned that neither organism can survive without the other. The ants have evolved to rely solely on the fungus for food, while the fungus in turn is entirely dependent on the ants for its care and propagation. Section 5. A partnership for survival mutualism in action. The mutualistic bond between leafcutter ants and their fungal crop is a delicate dance of interdependence. This relationship is a prime example of mutualism, where both species benefit from each other's existence. The ants cut and carry leaves back to their nests, not for their own consumption, but to serve as a substrate for the fungus to grow. The ants, with their remarkable strength and organizational skills, provide the fungus with the ideal environment to thrive. They meticulously cut leaves into smaller pieces and arrange them in their underground nests, creating a perfect habitat for the fungus to flourish. This process is a testament to the ants' incredible teamwork and efficiency. The fungus in turn rewards the ants with a nourishing food source, ensuring the colony's continued growth and prosperity. The ants feed on the fungus, which is rich in nutrients, providing them with the energy needed to sustain their complex society. This mutual exchange is vital for the survival of both the ants and the fungus. This remarkable partnership is a testament to the power of cooperation in the natural world. It demonstrates how two very different organisms can come together to create a thriving ecosystem. The ants and the fungus have evolved together, each adapting to the needs of the other, showcasing the beauty of evolutionary symbiosis. It highlights how even the smallest of creatures can achieve extraordinary things by working together for a common goal. The leafcutter ant's ability to cultivate fungus is a sophisticated agricultural practice that rivals human farming techniques. Their collaboration and division of labor are key to their success. The leafcutter ants and their fungal gardens are a true marvel of evolution, a symbiotic relationship that has stood the test of time. This enduring partnership has allowed both species to thrive in their environment, illustrating the incredible potential of mutualistic relationships in nature. Section 6. Leafcutter ants, masters of waste management. The leafcutter ant's agricultural prowess extends beyond mere cultivation. These meticulous insects have also mastered the art of waste management. The colony produces a substantial amount of waste, including used leaf fragments and spent fungal substrate. However, nothing goes to waste in the ants' world. Designated workers collect the waste and transport it to specialized chambers, effectively composting it away from the fungal gardens. This efficient waste management system is crucial for maintaining the health and hygiene of the colony, preventing the spread of disease and ensuring the long-term sustainability of their underground farms. Section 7. Communication is key, the language of the colony. The success of the leafcutter ant colony hinges on their remarkable communication skills. These tiny insects employ a sophisticated system of chemical signals, known as pheromones, to coordinate their activities and maintain order within the bustling metropolis. For instance, scout ants lay down pheromone trails to guide foragers to promising food sources. Workers within the nest communicate through touch and chemical signals, relaying information about the needs of the fungal gardens or the presence of any threats. This intricate communication network allows the colony to function as a cohesive unit, with each ant playing a vital role in the collective success of their underground city. Section 8. Threats to the ant engineers, a changing world. Despite their remarkable resilience and adaptability, leafcutter ant colonies face a growing number of threats in our ever-changing world. Deforestation, habitat loss, and the relentless march of human development are encroaching upon their natural environments at an alarming rate. These industrious insects, which play a crucial role in their ecosystems, are finding it increasingly difficult to sustain their colonies. Climate change, with its unpredictable weather patterns and rising temperatures, further exacerbates the challenges faced by leafcutter ants. The delicate balance of their habitats is being disrupted, leading to shrinking forests and altered ecosystems. This not only affects the ants directly, but also the myriad of other species that depend on these forests for survival. As their natural habitats shrink, these industrious insects are forced to compete for resources with other species, making their fight for survival even more daunting. The competition for food becomes fiercer, and the once abundant resources are now scarce, pushing leafcutter ants to the brink. Moreover, the use of pesticides and other agricultural chemicals can have devastating effects on leafcutter ant populations. These substances, designed to protect crops, often have unintended consequences for non-target species like the leafcutter ants. These chemicals can disrupt their delicate communication systems, contaminate their food sources, and lead to the collapse of entire colonies. The intricate social structure of the leafcutter ants, which relies heavily on chemical signals, is particularly vulnerable to such disruptions. The result is often catastrophic, with poisoned ants and decimated colonies. The loss of these colonies has a ripple effect, impacting the broader ecosystem and the many species that rely on the ants' activities. Protecting these fascinating creatures and their intricate societies requires a concerted effort to conserve their rainforest homes and promote sustainable agricultural practices. By adopting environmentally friendly farming methods and supporting conservation initiatives, we can help ensure the survival of leafcutter ants and the health of our planet's ecosystems. Section 9. A testament to nature's ingenuity. The leafcutter ant, with its astonishing bioengineering skills, stands as a testament to the ingenuity and resilience of the natural world. Their ability to cultivate their own food, construct elaborate underground cities, and maintain a harmonious society is a source of endless fascination for scientists and nature enthusiasts alike. By studying these remarkable creatures, we gain a deeper appreciation for the interconnectedness of life on Earth and the importance of preserving biodiversity. The leafcutter ant reminds us that even the smallest of creatures can play a vital role in the grand tapestry of life, inspiring us to protect and cherish the wonders of the natural world for generations to come.